Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at some Pops that are Dapper Dans. There are 4 of them, which they are typically 4 Dapper Dans when you see them at Disneyland. These particular ones were originally from D23, as the sticker on the front of the box does say. And I did get them though at Disneyland, and so as you are looking at the front of the box, I'm going to flip them around, show you each side, and then we're going to get them out of the box and check them out. So here is the front, obviously, and before I forget, I'm going to show you the top. Okay, and here is the one side there, and then the back. And I do like that these do say Disneyland Dapper Dans on the back of the package. If you choose, you may pause the video and read all of this, all the details on the back for yourself. And then here is the last side right there. Okay, so we're now going to take them out of the box. Now I have had these for quite a while. Last time I went to Disneyland, and we are about ready to go next week again to Disneyland, so I thought it's time that I get this video made. And so we're going to pull them out of the box here. Now usually I forget to tell you about this when they have these. There is a background right there. It's got, I believe it's Main Street in there. You can look at that. So we're going to put this stuff off to the side and check out the Dapper Dans themselves. Let me just get that out of the way. So I'm liking them already, and I don't even have them out. They're already cooler than what I thought. There we go. Let me just pull each one out, and then I'll set them up. Get the packaging out of the way. Okay, hopefully they will stand up. Here is the guy in the yellow. And here is the guy in the purple. So far so good. The guy in the red. And the guy in the blue. Now he doesn't want to stand up. Hopefully he will. It's the one thing about Pops that's a little frustrating is when they don't want to stand. Also, it seems like Pops, after a while, a lot of times they don't want to stand. So I may just have to hold him and tell you about him, because I think I'll just hang on to him just so that you don't have to sit here and watch me set him up. Anyway, so we have the guy in the yellow, guy in the purple, guy in the red, and the guy in the blue. I do like their hats. They're kind of like straw hats, and they have their striped little kind of like vests on. That's actually what they are. They have their black shoes. Very good and very unique for Pops, and that these are people that are on Main Street at Disneyland. Now if you have not seen them, they sing kind of like a quartet, and they are very good, and they sing some kind of old-fashioned songs. So if you have not seen those, hopefully next time you go, they have them at Disney World as far as I know, although I do go to Disneyland much more often, so I know more about that. So that's basically it. Like I said, I'm just going to hang on to him because he does not want to stand. But anyways, other than him not wanting to stand, I'm pretty happy with him, and I do like what they do. As you can see, their heads do turn. I just turned his instead of turning them all. But I'm very happy with these. I'm not sure if they still have them at Disneyland or not, because it's been a while. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Every once in a while I do Pops. Like I said, I'm going to Disneyland this coming week for 5.5 days, which is our big trip that we do once a year. So if you like any Disneyland videos, make sure to that you do subscribe, and hopefully we'll see those probably coming out about mid-February, the ones that I film while I am there. So until next time, guys, make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.